You know, I always encourage people to follow their dreams, and if your dream is to be a YouTuber, you've got to just remember, you've got to believe in yourself.
I never would have thought, because I was so shy as a kid. Like, you saw me as a kid, you'd be like, that's not even the same person. To have like all those people just come like because they watch my videos and enjoy my content is just, that's exactly why I do this, and it's so rewarding.
People tell me that I impact their lives, that they were going through a hard time and this certain song that they love, they just listen to over and over. And in turn, I have grown so much. I used to be extremely shy and afraid to speak up or do anything, and now I am so much better.
In front of a camera is where I'm the most comfortable. Like, I love being in front of a camera. It's like, and ironically enough, when I was younger, I was very much a guy that wanted to be by himself, not want to be in the limelight, and now I've created this new kind of, you know, persona that I love to be in front of a camera, and it's just, I wake up every day and my camera lens is my best friend.